What causes HVAC drain pans to rust? HVAC drain pans usually rust because standing water, acidic condensate, damaged protective coatings, and trapped dirt slowly wear away the metal. An HVAC drain pan catches water created when warm, humid air passes over the cold evaporator coil. That water is called condensate, and it can contain dust, cleaning chemicals, or other materials that make it more likely to corrode metal. If the drain line is clogged, water stays in the pan instead of flowing away, giving rust more time to form. A pan may also rust when its paint, coating, or galvanized surface gets scratched during installation or cleaning. Tiny scratches expose bare steel to water and oxygen, which starts the rusting process. Salt in the air can make this worse, especially near the coast or in areas where salty outdoor air enters the building. A less commonly noticed cause is an improperly supported pan that bends and creates a low spot where water collects. Check the pan during routine maintenance. Keep the drain line clear, and replace the pan if you see deep rust, holes, or water stains below it. One common mistake is treating a slow drain as a small issue, so flush the drain line and inspect the pan before water damage spreads. Another mistake is painting over heavy rust, because the metal may already be weak, so replace any section that feels soft or has pinholes. Some people also assume every pan should hold water, but it should drain nearly completely after the system stops, so standing water is a warning sign that needs attention. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.